Wow, so I must say, third rank in Delhi PG and of course 44th rank in All India PG. We have Dr. Ayush Agarwal, looks very happy, satisfied, content, and that smile says it all. So, Doc, fantastic, congratulations, and thank you so much for joining us here. All these wonderful ranks. Ultimately, आपने क्या choose किया? Delhi PG का rank choose किया
I've
और
chosen UCMS radio diagnosis.
okay, okay, and is this what you always wanted?
Yeah, the branch is fine, but actually I want to upgrade my college. So maybe in the further rounds of All India PG, I might get a better college.
Okay, so which is what you're looking at?
Yes.
Lovely, fantastic. So well, let me start from you have achieved what you probably dreamt of, and I am hoping that this is what was your dream and this is how you wanted to. So there are a lot of students like you who are there with this kind of a dream. First, let's begin by what is it you have to tell for them.
Well, one thing I want to say is that since a new pattern has come up from the National Board of Examination, so the preparation has changed slightly from the earlier All India exam. Now it's better to do subject-wise books now and focus on individual subjects. And first and second year subjects are very important as of now. And along with that, good coaching is always essential. It keeps you on the track, and I think IMS has done a wonderful job in that regard.
Lovely. So, Dr. Ayush, you just mentioned that along with all those change of patterns that have happened and you need to be abreast about what's happening around, a good coaching is very important. And it's
Yes,
not
ma'am.
only about just teaching you or just guiding you or just solving a couple of your problems, but giving you a comprehensive solution for everything that you're looking at. And you said that, IMS surely has all that.
Yes.
So, when you were choosing IMS as your partner in your dream, why did you choose IMS, and what would people suggest if they said that Ayush, you should go and join IMS? So why would they suggest you IMS?
Well,
What is at one point they would talk very very highly about
Well, I
IMS?
talked to a lot of my seniors in my third year. That's when I joined the foundation course of IMS. So most of my seniors said that IMS is the best. And the way the teachers teach and the package, everything is very good. And it's like whatever subject they are teaching, they will complete it in all aspects, and then you can solve any new MCQs which come up, not just the repeated ones. Also, since you have completed the whole topic and the whole subject, so if any new question arises from that part, then you can answer that also very confidently.
Okay. So they're absolutely updated with the changing of patterns as well as the inclusion of questions that are going to happen. So
Yes,
it's a
ma'am.
very inclusive teaching style that they have and
Yes,
coaching
ma'am.
style that they have. Fantastic. And coming back to the faculties and the subject books that were provided to you,
Yes, ma'am.
besides IMS, first let's talk about what are the other books that you referred to.
Since this year it was not decided that whether AIMS will conduct the All India exam or NBE will conduct it. So firstly, when I started my preparation in my internship last year, and then I was focusing on AIMS All India books, Mudit Khanna and Amit Ashish book, and along with that I was doing DNB questions as well. But in the later part of my preparation, when it was finally the decision had come that NBE will be conducting this year's All India. So then I focused more on the DNB and the NEET pattern books, and on the individual subject books.
Okay.
And definitely the Mudit Khanna and Amit Ashish are very good books, but in the kind of All India exam that is coming right now, in that we cannot expect many repeat questions from those books.
Okay.
So it's mostly from the last year DNB papers, and the type of questions, the type of topics that are being repeated now are mostly the ones which are from the NB papers.
Okay.
Be it DNB CET exam or the last year's NEET exam.
Okay. And of course, along with the books that you refer to, how how helpful were the notes that you made during your courses, during your faculties, during your lectures that happened, and how important these notes are for preparation point of view?
Ma'am, actually, when I attended the IMS classes, the one thing that I liked was that I didn't have to make bulky notes or anything, because everything was there in the package. So
Okay.
that saved a lot of time in my class. I was able to focus completely on what the teacher was teaching. So in that way, I had to just add those few extra points which are there. Otherwise, everything was given in the notes, and all I had to do was just focus in the class and understand what the teacher was teaching.
Correct.
So a lot of my time was kind of saved. Because I
Into
was not-
referring too
yeah,
many
yeah.
books, and you just
Yeah,
knew.
yeah,
So you
definitely.
had a very narrowed down approach. Then you could absolutely know that, okay, for this subject, this topic, I
Yeah,
need
yeah.
to refer here to there. Okay, and FTS, which I think most of the students at times it's like scary, and at times it is the thing which will really get you where you need to go. At least when it comes to the simulation of, there's a simulation that happens, how it would happen at AIMS or your All India PG. So how helpful was FTS for you?
FTS is very important because until and unless we try to judge where we are standing right now, without that we cannot really progress further. So FTS was very important. You are getting the feel of an all India exam,
And you have so many people simultaneously appearing on
simultaneously
one
so
Sunday.
many people are appearing in that exam, and so that is very helpful. You have to see where you are, and because it is a complete syllabus exam, so in that whichever subject you are weak in, you can see that this subject, this is my weaker portion, so
Correct.
I have to build it up. So that is very important. I mean, without evaluation, it's no use of studying on and on.
Right. Somewhere you have to dare
Yeah.
enough to go ahead and evaluate
definitely.
yourself. And my last question to you, of course, there are a lot of students who could be still in a lot of perplexed minds,
Yes.
but we have to tell them that now they are at IMS because 30 to 40% to 50% of the task is done. But now they need to believe in it that they have taken the right decision. So, Ayush, what is that you tell about
Well,
that?
I'd say that IMS is the best coaching institute as far as PG medical coaching is concerned. And along with that, your hard work is very important. And more than hard work, I think it is a smart work because the course is so lengthy and everything that it really takes a toll on a person.
Right.
So what you have to do is that you have to focus on the last year papers. Along with that, you have to focus on important topics. You have to be very thorough with those important topics, and the rest you can refer to the IMS notes. And I'm sure the IMS notes will cover most of the parts which most of the syllabus that is there. And along with that, do the previous year papers. I think that will suffice. And,
Suffice.
what is most important is the revision at the last moment.
Okay.
So that is very important.
That's
So
the key.
at least revise it 2 or 3 times, and then you can go for the exam very confidently.
Thank you, Dr. Ayush. It was wonderful having you here and talking to you.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.